Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix if you are not being able to access Phpmyadmin in Xampp. So many users are facing this error, and one of the subscriber of my channel asked me to solve this problem on Xampp server. So if you start the MySQL server and you're not being able to access the Phpmyadmin, then how can you fix this? So many users also are facing that they won't be able to start MySQL because when they start the MySQL, it stop unexpectedly. So how can they fix such errors? So I have already made that on such topic how to solve that error. And if you are facing also this error, you can watch that video. Link is given in the description. Now comes to this problem, how to fix if you're not being able to access Phpmyadmin. So first of all, guys, let me start with the beginning. So open the Chrome browser, sorry, browse Explorer, File Explorer, and go to the C drive. So we go to the directory where the Xampp is installed. Just go open the Xampp folder, and now what you have to do, you have to basically go to the MySQL. Fine. Now you have to go to bin folder, not data, bin folder. And now we are going to access our open our configuration file of MySQL. So this is our configuration file. I have changed the name of it. It was my init, but I name it as my. When I reset the password of the MySQL, if you want to know how to reset the password, you can also watch my video on it on my channel, available on my channel. So now let's come to this video. So first of all, open this file, and now you have to change the port number from here. So suppose right now my port number is 3301 07, so you can change it to 08. And also when you come down word, you will see another port number, and you have to also say make it same as 3308. Fine. Once you're done with this, just save it. Now you have to go back to the MySQL server. Now back folder, and now again go to the Xampp folder. Now guys, you have to go to phpMyAdmin folder, and now you have to open this config.inc file. You have to open this file. You can open it with notepad or any editor, text editor. Now once it is opened, now you will see there is host, which a host line. So there is an address, so you just need to add colon double dot, and after this now you have to add your port number that you have wrote in the configuration file. So what was it 3308, this one, and just save it. And we also have to stop this service. Fine. Once you're done, save this file as well. So this is our service host, and there is an IP address. So you just need to append by your port number. When you're done with this, just minimize this file. Now we have to go back to our Xampp server and start the MySQL service. Now we have to verify if we able to access our phpMyAdmin. So you have to click on this admin. Now you will see if the prop, yeah, you can see now we are able to access our phpMyAdmin on browser. Fine. So this here we are these are the databases we have recently created, and yeah, that's how you can fix this error. And if you're not being able to start your MySQL service, then you can watch my latest video on MySQL where I've told how to fix such error. So you just need to change the port number, and also the file that I've told you have to add the port number after the IP address. Fine. And once just save it, and you will be able to fix the error. So Yeah, I hope you like it. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. And for more video like this, please subscribe to our channel. Till then.